Okay, so transferring of patient from bed to wheelchair, side lying position, hawakan sa shoulder and pelvic area. And then ipasok ang kaliwang kamay sa may ilalim ng leeg. And then yung kanang kamay sa likod ng tuhod. Then in the count of 3, pauupuin yung pasyente, bababa yung paa. 1, 2, 3. Okay, then scoot. Scoot the patient. Scoot sa gilid ng bed. Scoot mo siya. Scoot. Scoot.
Dito pa ito.
Scoot. Scoot. Then, stand. Ang wheelchair 45 degrees angle. Mas malapit ang good side sa may wheelchair. Okay. Lock the wheelchair. Then, support yung bad leg. Bad leg. Okay. Then, in the count of 3, 1, 2, 3, stand. Pivot. Then, hawak ang armrest, patient. Sit down. Okay. Then, transferring from wheelchair to bed. Okay. Scoot, scoot. Scoot sa may side ng wheelchair. Then, support ang weak. Ang weak mo ngayon is yung right. Sa likod yung strong side. Then, support mo yung right. Right side. Then, in the count of 3, 1, 2, 3, up, pivot. Then, side ng chair, ng bed. Okay. Position the patient. Then, sitting position. Sa ilalim ng tuhod. In the count of 3, pahigain ng patient. 1, 2, 3. Okay.